video. So today we are going to cover the new workflow, which is called the missed text, missed, missed call text backup. Okay. So the purpose of this workflow is that we need to create a follow-up sequence or a workflow when we have a client who called us, but we were not able to attend that call due to some reasons, or due to the reason that he called us during our break. So what will happen if someone called us and we didn't pick up the call? I'll add the trigger first, which is the call details, and I'll set the filters right inside it. The first filter is the call direction, which is obviously the incoming. Then we have, I can say, the call status, which was busy, cancelled, no answer, voicemail. All these satisfy the condition of missed call actually. The next is we can also add a phone number. I have some phone numbers. I would say, suppose this phone number, and I'll save the trigger. Second step is to add an action. What we can add an action is that we can push internal notification or assign a user to that particular client, and then send an email or a SMS. So let's add, we can also add the contact tag also. So I'll add a contact tag, and I will say missed call. Okay, so I'll save this action. Then I'm gonna assign this to a user. So let's assign to user. I'm gonna assign the particular client to this user, and only apply to unassigned contacts. This is just an optional filter or feature. Then I'm gonna push internal notification. This one, I don't know, send internal notification. Then the type would be just a notification. Missed call by contact phone number. Okay. I can add a message. Missed call by contact name. Phone number as, I'll add another custom field, phone. Yeah. I'll save this action. Okay. A redirect page, we can add to the conversation, the user type, or users. Yeah. Then we can also create a wait statement, wait action, of 10 minutes after after a customer called us, or yep, no, 15 minutes is better. Okay, one thing here is that advanced window, that we can also select the timings for our own action. So if I select this window, excuse me. So the 9 to 5 is the window that the action will be performed. You can choose this or not choose this. I will not be choosing this action, sorry, filter. Then I'll send. So adding a width, I'm not going to add that advanced window because that was, you know, the criteria of the time slots in which the action has to be performed. I won't be adding that action, sorry, the action functionality in it. The next step I will be adding is the SMS action. So we will be sending that actually the action, the SMS to our client. So this is from my side. If you have any questions regarding this, you may ask in the comment sections. And if you find this video helpful, you may like the video and hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.
Don't lie.